Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add videos and pictures over other videos in Canva while preserving your original audio. This process is perfect for creating professional-looking videos with B-roll or overlaying images to enhance your content. First, open Canva and navigate to the Videos section. Select Videos to start with a fresh workspace. Once your blank canvas is ready, head to the Uploads tab on the left-hand menu. Here, upload the video file that will serve as your main footage. Drag and drop it onto the canvas, then position it at the center. You can adjust its duration if needed by trimming the edges using the timeline below. Next, decide where you want to add an overlay. To insert a video or image at this point, you'll need to create a frame. Go to the Elements tab, search for frames, and pick a shape that suits your needs. If you're overlaying a video, you might choose a rectangle frame to keep it simple. Once you've added the frame to your canvas, resize and position it as desired. Now, upload or select the video or image you want to overlay. Drag this new media file into the frame you've placed. To synchronize the overlay with the main video, right-click on the overlay and select Show Timing. A new panel will appear at the bottom of the screen. Here, adjust the starting and ending points of the overlay by dragging the purple bars to fit the intended duration. If necessary, fine-tune its position and size on the canvas. If you'd like to add an image instead, follow the same steps. After placing a frame, upload your image and drag it into the frame. Resize and position it as needed, then use the timing panel to control when it appears and disappears during the video. For those who want to include voiceovers, Canva offers an easy way to do so directly within the platform. Once your video is set up, click Share in the top right corner, then select More and choose Present and Record. From here, you can select your microphone and start recording. While recording, the video will play, allowing you to narrate in real time. When you're finished, save the recording and it will automatically upload as an audio file. To add the voiceover to your video, go to the Uploads section, find your audio file under Audio and drag it onto the timeline. Align it with your video, trim it if needed, and adjust its position to sync with the visuals. And that's it. Thank you for watching.